How to save a view once video on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how we can save a view once photo on WhatsApp. So let's just get started with the video. So the view once feature is meant to let videos disappear after viewing, and that is a great way to share something that you don't want to be saved or shared further. So how can we save the view once photo on WhatsApp? So unfortunately, directly WhatsApp doesn't allow us to save view once photo after you have seen them because they are designed to disappear automatically. So the only way that is possible is screenshotting the video or screen recording your screen to capture the video. But WhatsApp notifies the sender if you take screenshot or screen record the video, and the sender will know if you're trying to save the video in that way. So therefore, that is only the way we have possible right now that helps us allows the WhatsApp video to be saved. Since WhatsApp View Once feature was introduced to prevent the video from being stored or shared without the sender's knowledge, by not providing a save feature, WhatsApp ensures that the media is temporary and does not linger on your phone in the app. And the only absolute way we can really save it is asking the sender to resend the video in a normal, regular way, and you can request it as a normal video file or in any format, and then just save it onto your device. So therefore, that's how you can save a view once photo or video on WhatsApp. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, and drop your questions in the comment below, and see you in the next video.